Next again we have used our hand to make a pig. We have given the shape with the hands, and now we'll make the eyes, and at last after making the eyes we'll add the specs and the ears and the mouth. And now we will make the body of the pig and hands and the legs, and you can see your pig is ready now. Again we are using our hand to give the shape of a Santa Claus. We have made the mustache and the beards of the Santa Claus, and next we will use the marker to make the hands and legs and the clothes of the Santa Claus. You can see we are coloring it. This is the universal color of the Santa Claus. Next again we will use our folded hands to give the shape of a nurse. We have made the ears and then the face of the nurse. We will make the eyes and the face together, and now we will make the hairs of the nurse. You can see how beautifully we have made the hairs of the nurse. And next we will make the clothes, a nurse clothes, and next we will make the hands. And after making the hands we will color the drawing.